Hey everyone, so my PowerPoint is on adding two-digit numbers. So let's get started. So on this slide is my lesson plan overview. It is grade level second grade, topic double-digit addition, focus, mastering place value and regrouping, learning objective, accurately adding two-digit numbers, understand place value, tens and ones, using regrouping or carrying over when necessary. On this slide, it is my key activities, and they are Technology Center. Students will be allowed to use a computer to play mathematical games. Another activity is Dice Rolling Game. Students will be in groups of 4. Each student will roll once and combine the numbers they get and write down and solve the equation. Another activity is a riddle worksheet. Students will need to solve the equations to solve the riddle, and another one is the block station. Students can use blocks to solve their equations on the worksheet. So on this slide, I gave an example of my technology center. What do you know I would like for it to look like? Another picture is for the dice rolling game. This one is an example of a riddle, the riddle worksheet. And I have the blocks for the block center. On this slide, it is my learning tool overview. My base 10 blocks, my 10 frames, and learning number lines, and hundreds chart. This slide, I have also examples of what that might look like. Another example of more blocks I would have. I know every student another example. Number lines. We have the 2s, the 5s, and the 10s. I know every student learns differently, so my main goal would be to have just different tools for students so they can get comfortable with one or more of these tools that would help them be successful in double digit addition. Another example is my hundreds chart. We have an example of the ones row, tens row, even the fifth row. In second grade, they should be more familiar with the just chart, but I mean, again, if it helps, it's there. Here I have a video um, of just a worksheet They're going over it. I won't play it for the here in the PowerPoint, but if you click on my PowerPoint and you're watching it, you're more than welcome to click on it and just take a quick view of it. But I'm going to skip it for the PowerPoint presentation. So why these tools? These tools help teach strategies such as the traditional algorithm, the split method, expanded form, and using place value charts to make the abstract concept of regrouping more concrete. Having different types of tools will also help the students find one tool that they are more comfortable with. Every student learns differently, so having more than one option is better so they can try different methods. Students engaged in class. Students' engagement in class means students are actively involved in their learning, motivated to participate, and emotionally connected to the school environment. Signs include paying attention, asking questions, taking notes, and participating in discussions. To promote engagement, teachers can use interactive activities, make learning relevant to real life, and create a positive, respectful classroom atmosphere. Um, Going into the teaching field, that's one of my main goals. Just to have students be very comfortable in their class. No question is a wrong question. I personally had experience having a teacher that wasn't very supportive of questions, or he would get just like overwhelmed um, if students were like asking the same question, and he would be you know trying his best. um, but just I personally want to make that one of my goals, just to make sure every student gets the help and really is comfortable with asking all types of questions. So assessment strategy. Identify that students place their wants and intents in the correct place so their answers are correct. Make sure students don't make mistakes when regrouping or carrying over when adding. Make sure that students are learning the double-digit addition method, and have the students learn a learning tool that they are comfortable with and that makes it easy to learn. A reflection. The hardest part of creating this assessment tool was making sure it was engaging, but also educational and informative. I wanted also to keep the students engaged and be able to show them that math can be fun. Other challenges were to find activities for the students that are fun and engaging, um, and that will help them to understand in a clear way how to do double addition. Excuse me. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I I know I'm a little nervous, but I hope you like it. I would love your feedback. Um, any feedback is good. And I just added a little math humor here at the end. Like, are you sure? And obviously, we all see it's a pi sign. So yeah, thank you for watching.